Hello everyone, welcome back to social science class. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic, that is advent of the Europeans to India. Here the advent means arrival, enter of the Europeans. Europeans means the one who belongs to Europe continent we call Europeans. Some of the important European countries are France, Netherlands, Ireland, Portugal, England, etc. Then why the Europeans entered India? Why the Europeans entered India? Because to get what they didn't have. The Europeans entered India to get what they didn't have. What they didn't have? They didn't have the knowledge of agriculture. They didn't know how to grow the crops. They didn't know how to grow the spices. They didn't know the knowledge of medicine. They didn't know how to grow the cotton. But our Indians have the great knowledge of agriculture. Our Indians have the great knowledge of agriculture, animal husbandry, Vedas. Our Indians have the great knowledge of Vedas. Our Indians have the knowledge of arithmetic, algebra, astronomy, medicine, agriculture, etc. But the Europeans didn't have the knowledge of all these things. So they entered India. And before the Europeans entered India, our India was a rich and prosperous country in the world. Our India was famous for growing spices. Spices ಅಂದರೆ ಸಾಂಬಾರು ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. For example, pepper, cardamom, fenugreek, cloves, etc. called spices. There was a great demand for the spices of our India. But these Europeans entered India and looted the wealth of our country. Before they entered India, before the Europeans entered India, our India is very rich country. But we the Indians generously allowed them to enter India. But that Europeans spoiled our wealth. They spoiled our wealth and they looted the wealth of our country. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the early settlements of Europeans and their trade activities of Europeans in India. In this class, we are going to learn about the Portuguese, the trade activities of Portuguese in India, and the causes for the rise of Portuguese in India, and the causes for the decline of Portuguese in India. First, the Portuguese, the one person who belongs to Portugal country we called Portuguese. Portugal is one of the prominent country of Europe continent. The Portuguese came to India in 1498. The Portuguese came to India for trade in 1498. How they came to India? How the Portuguese arrived to India? Through sea routes. Until 1498, there was no sea route to India. But on 17th May 1498, Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese voyager. Voyager means the one who travels a long journey through ship we call voyager. This Vasco da Gama was a Portuguese voyager. He discovered new sea route to India through Arabian Sea. And he reached Calicut of Kerala in India. Through this sea route, many Europeans entered India. This sea route enabled the Europeans to enter India for trade. And through this sea route, Portuguese, Dutch, Britishers, French, one by one arrived India for trade. And the Portuguese were the first among the Europeans to enter India. The Portuguese were the first among the Europeans to reach India, and the Portuguese were the first among the Europeans to leave India. And the main aims of Europeans to reach India were, first one, building colonial empire. colonial empire means established. They established their control over the eastern countries. They established their control over the eastern countries, and propagation of Christianity means spreading Christian religion in eastern countries were the main aims of Europeans. And then see, after that, then what were the factors, what were the causes helped Portuguese to rise in India? When Vasco da Gama reached Calicut of India, that time Jamorin was the king of Calicut. This King Jamorin granted trade permission to Vasco da Gama. Jamorin granted trade permission to Vasco da Gama. This helped Portuguese to start their trade activities in India. And next, Francisco de Almeida was the first governor of Portuguese. Francisco de Almeida was appointed as the first governor of Portuguese. After him, in 1509 Common Era, Albuquerque was appointed as the governor of India. He was one of the efficient governor of Portuguese. He attacked Albuquerque, captured Goa from the Adil Shahis of Vijayapur. Albuquerque captured Goa by the Adil Shahis of Vijayapur. He defeated Adil Shahis of Vijayapur with the help of Vijayanagara kings, and he captured Goa. After Goa became the capital of the trade activities of the Portuguese. Until Portuguese left our India, Goa remained the capital of Portuguese. After Albuquerque, who came to India, who appointed as the governors of Portuguese in India, they established colonies. They established some trade centers in India. They were Diu, Daman, Chaval, Salsette, Bassein, Bombay. It is the old name of present Mumbai, Santom and Hooghly in Bengal. These were the main trade centers of Portuguese in India. These were the causes for the rise of Portuguese in India. But very soon the Portuguese trade activities declined in India. Then what were the factors? What were the causes for the decline of Portuguese in India? First one, after Portuguese who came to India, the Dutch and English posed a formidable challenge to the Portuguese. The Dutch and English given a very difficult challenge to the to the Portuguese. The Dutch and English have very strong navy, but the Portuguese were not have strong navy. So the Portuguese were not able to face with the Dutch and English. This was one of the reasons for the decline of Portuguese in India. The Portuguese government officers became highly corrupt. The Portuguese government officers dishonestly used their power and status. So they lost the Portuguese were lost their power in India, and the Portuguese tried to attempt to convert the locals forcefully. The Portuguese they tried to convert the Indian people forcefully to Christian religion. This affected on the religious beliefs of the Indians. This is also one of the reasons for the decline of Portuguese in India. And with the decline of Vijayanagara Empire, the Portuguese trade also declined in India. We know that in the Vijayanagara Empire lesson, the Vijayanagara kings helped Portuguese in their trade activities. But when the Vijayanagara Empire declined, the trade activities of Portuguese in India also declined. These were the main causes for the decline of Portuguese in India. I hope everyone understood. Thank you.